All right, welcome to lesson 54. We are over halfway through the year, on our way down. You have 3 weeks to get your projects in. Let's make it happen. All right, we are looking at electrical engineering for the next 2 weeks until spring break. All things electrical engineering and reviewing that. All right, so we have 3 things to do. Ed, we need to work on our EDP steps. Apparently, looking at last week, we'd forgotten them, so we're going to run them back one more time real quick. And our 8 types of engineers. People are not keeping up with those. Come on, this is easy stuff. We do it over and over and over. And by the way, the 6 EDP steps are located for the whole time. The 6 EDP steps have been located right here at the top of your stuff in your resources. Bam. There you go. There's all 6 of them. So let's get those taken care of. First item up, you got a Jamboard. You are going to just grab these and put them in the correct order on the steps. On this Jamboard, you're going to grab bioengineer and move him to the right one and put it in the right spot. Okay? And along with the other 7, there are 8. Put them in the right spot. Move the titles, not the definitions. Okay? And then finally, you're going to have an introduction to electrical engineering. All right, so knock out that Ed puzzle. So you got 3 quick grades. Okay, your projects are coming due. Let's get stuff done.